Here's Keene. Keene's got Donovan. The speedy Donovan gets the ball. He's onside. What a play. Landon, Donovan. Bush comes out. Landon. Goal! Keene and Donovan do it again. 26th minute, 1-0 Galaxy.
And there's that combination hooking up again. Keene and Donovan. It's a great play, a great setup, and it all starts with Robbie Keene getting the ball early to feet. He actually directs where he wants it, holds it up. Landon Donovan with a nice run through and does an excellent job getting around Bush and putting that in the back of the net. A poor step up by San Jose. Right there as Cronin tries to hold it up, but there's no opportunity. Assistant referee does a good job of not putting the flag up as Landon Donovan's onside. And he puts the Galaxy up 1-0 right off the bat.